Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to go over how to set up Excel so it repeats this top row on the pages that I print. So right now if we go to File, Print, we can see those the titles of the columns up here, but when we go to the next page, they're just not there. I want to see them on all the pages. So if I go back here and go to Page Layout, there's a little button in the corner here. If I click that, it takes me to the page setup. I'd go over to the sheet section here, and it has rows to repeat at the top. So I'll click that, and then I'll highlight the rows that I want repeated at the top, hit enter, and then OK. And now, when I go to the print preview, on page 1 it's at the top, and now at page 2 it shows at the top, page 3, so on and so forth. So that's how you set Excel up to repeat rows at the top of each printed out page. Thank you for watching.